Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today I want to do a Easter look, and I just want to look really feminine, but I want to keep it really simple and, you know, I want to say family appropriate, but you know what I mean? Like when you're hanging out with your family, you don't want like a full face next level look, but I do want to spice it up with maybe like a cool eyeliner or something. So without further ado, let's just jump right in to the video. So I'm going to start with the e.l.f. matte lotion as my primer. I'll rub that all over my face. By the time you guys see this video, I'll be in Ontario visiting my family, and I am so excited. As of right now, it's still a little bit away, but I did do some pre-filming, so I would have some videos when I'm out there, and this is one of them because I really want to do an Easter look, and if I don't do it now, I'll forget to do it in general. And then I'm just going ahead and I'm going to put on the Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula. This is a nice medium coverage foundation, so it's going to give you a very nice luminosity to the skin, but it's still going to let your natural skin peek through. I'll then go in with my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. Pick that in a V under my eyes, my nose, and my forehead. And then just buff it out with any wet sponge you have. I just realized you can see that pot in the background. That's for another video that you'll be seeing in a bit. Let's move on to the brows. I'm using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in black. And I'm going to use the Femme Couture Brow Gel to set them. I want a really light feathery brow today, not overly sculpted. Move on to eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild palette in Comfort Zone. I'm going to take this transition shade and mix with the bottom transition shade and go right in my crease with a really big fluffy brush. The weirdest, I have a song stuck in my head right now by The Weeknd. I think it's called I Know What You've Been Through. Let me look it up. Let me make sure I'm telling you the right name. No, it's I Feel It Coming. And the weirdest thing is I always get songs stuck in my head that I don't even like listen to on the regular. It's like songs that I haven't even heard in a long time, and out of nowhere they're just like, we're gonna be in your head now. All of my brushes are so dirty right now. They need to be washed, but I need one right now, so this one's just gonna get rubbed off on my leg so I can use it. I'm gonna dip into a little bit of this like turquoise? No, topaz color, as well as this shade right here, which has a little more of a pinky undertone to it. Go back in with that blending brush. We're using our crease with no additional product, just to blend out those edges, almost being a little sloppy. And then to add just a little more pinkiness to that, I'm just gonna go in with the L'Oreal Single Shadow, and this one is in the shade Amber Rush. We're just gonna add a little bit of that over our eye for a little extra dimension. I'm just gonna go into that darker transition shade and just add a little bit to the outer corner. Pick any like small blending brush with the first transition shades again under the eye, just on the outer corner. Connecting it to that top shadow. Now to give it more of a little bit of a pop, I'm going to take a flat definer brush, dip it into this beautiful teal shade. It's like a duochrome. It's like teal, but also it's like purple. As you can see, I don't know if you can see the shift as much here, but it's very teal and purpley undertone. This is a liner on the top. I may brush a bit just because it'll help make it a little more intense and stick a little better. So as you can see, it added like a little subtle eyeliner to the look. Some blush. I'm gonna mix this shade with this shade down here. I'm going to bronze with my Milani bronzer. And I'll take it over the blush a little bit just because I feel like I went super ham on blush today. The Stella bronze highlighter on a larger highlighting brush. And I'll just highlight my cheeks. I'm going to spritz my face with the e.l.f. Glow Mist. And while that dries, I'm going to apply my gloss. I'm going to go with the e.l.f. lip gloss in the shade Nude Rose. I feel like glosses and spring just go hand in hand. Make me look ultra dewy. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me powder on a nice tapered brush, and I'm just gonna settle down that glow. That didn't help at all. So we're gonna go with the Cover FX powder, and let's see if this helps mattify us just a tad bit more. Like I look dewy to the point where I was just looking like straight up oily. That powder helped to mattify me without like taking away all of the sheen. I'm gonna finish off this look with a little bit of I feel like I've said I'm gonna finish this look off like 10 times in this video, and then I keep realizing I forget things. So I'm actually gonna finish this look off with a little bit of the Revlon Dramatic Definition Mascara. I definitely want a mascara that's more separating and lengthening because I do want the liner to really shine through. And that's our completed look, guys. I hope you like this look for Easter, and if you did, make sure to hit the thumbs up, to subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, and to comment below so I know what you guys want to see on my channel and what you would like to see next. And until next time, guys, bye!